Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So as you can see by the thumbnail and title, I'm finally going to be trying the BTARTBOX and the Longhairprettynails XCOAT collab. I am so excited. When I seen everyone posting, I was so excited because I love longhairprettynails. I've been watching her channel since I started my nail journey, like before, and it's just been so exciting. Her videos are always so interesting, and she's just a phenomenal influencer. So yeah, I was just like so hyped and like happy for her. So yeah, I finally got the chance to receive these and use them. I actually had them for like a couple days. I'm just now getting to it because I've been like really busy. I went on a vacation to Myrtle Beach and stuff for like a weekend, and I just couldn't get to it as fast as I wanted to, but I am back starting to record. So yeah, I was finally able to try these out, and I am so in love with these. They also included a brush on nail glue in this packaging, so that's how I will be applying them. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen these everywhere, like you've seen her post them on her channel, Instagram, TikTok and stuff. A lot of people have been promoting them, but I was so excited to like finally try them and then give you guys my take on it. Honestly, there's not going to be a negative comment about these nails whatsoever because you guys already know how much I love BTARTBOX nails. So like the cherry on top was just like the personalized design from Evie, aka longhairprettynails, and it was just really phenomenal. One thing I did notice about these nails is that they already have top coat on them, like they're super shiny. So that I was really happy about, because once you apply them, you don't have to go in with top coat. It saves you like that step. It makes the application time and the finishing, like the entire set, just a lot faster. So yeah, I was really excited. And I'm just showing you guys the nails here. I do have two different types of shapes. I have a square of all of these different designs, and then I'm going to show you the stiletto ones after. So I'll tell you a little bit more about like how much I like the design and just a little bit more about them as I go through the other ones. But for these gold one here, I really love the chrome look, and one of my favorite designs with the gold set is definitely like the little ring, the oval ring around the nails. I love that design so much. Like it just looks really elegant to me, and I try to like do that design a lot whenever I'm creating nails, or sometimes I find them with like recreation sets and stuff. I just love it a lot. So now that I've gotten to the stiletto shape, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about them. So these are just some white French tips with some cherries. I really love the 3D cherries on some of them. And it just makes it really cute. Like I love cute and dainty nails like that. The second ones are pretty simple, just in case you want something like classic, really fun, but very easy. We have some cheetah print. The third ones are going to be a little bit more intricate. I feel like if you were trying to create these, they would take a little bit more time. They're like butterfly wings with like some glitter, like some holographic cat eye glitter, and then some dots. The fourth ones are some red French tip with that really popular 3D design that I love to try to do, but mine's never come out right or as even as I wanted to. So I love that those already have it, and it makes it easier for applying them. And then of course the gold ones are just some gold French tips and have some diagonal action, some 3D on it, some French tips, and it's just really simple and elegant. And if you were wondering, the bottom side is still matted out, so it does come already pre-prepped for you. If you want to take an extra step to prep them, you can just take like an e-file with a mini sanding band and just etch the inside, or you can chemically etch it as well. Just add in some primer underneath it and let it dry. And the ones I decided to use are probably so obvious, but I decided on using the cherry ones because they were so fun, and because I was gonna actually wear them over the weekend. I'm gonna prep my nails and actually wear them. No peel off base coat or anything. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump right into the nail prep. I will show you guys both hands. I am gonna do my right hand first just because that one is a lot harder. So I want to make sure I have that one done first before switching over to my left hand, because it just becomes a lot more easier and a lot faster. I do start off by pushing back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher, and then I'm going to take the other side to scrape up any of that product or just remove any more cuticle from my nail plate. Next, I'm going to go in with my e-file and a mini sanding band, and I'm just going to be working that over my nail plate to remove that shine and also around that cuticle just once or twice. I do make sure to keep this bit parallel to my nails because I don't want to create any indents or damage my nails, make it too thin. So I try to go in with a really light pressure, just enough to remove that very top layer. And I am working with my e-file in the reverse direction because I am doing my dominant hand. Once I finish filing all of the nails on my right hand, I'm going to switch the direction back to forward and repeat that process over on my left hand. And this is how the nails look once I have filed them. And I'm gonna take a dust brush to remove that dust, and also following that I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe and just wipe over my nails to further remove any of that dust, because since I am actually gonna prep my nails, I don't want any of that dust to be underneath it. It may cause lifting, it may cause it not to adhere properly, so I want to make sure I fully clean my nails. Now I am going to take these nails off like right after the weekend, so I'm not going to do like any dehydrator and primer. I think filing the surface and the alcohol will do just fine. So I'm just going to be working on freshly filed nails. The next step I'm going to do is, of course, size out my nail tips. The only suggestion, or like the only tip I have for you in this section, is just make sure that the nails fit sidewall to sidewall, because if the nails are too big, it's going to overlap your skin, and once you apply it, it's going to create like air pockets underneath, and it'll allow water to get underneath, and it's going to like mess up the glue or gel, whatever you adhere them with or glue them on with. So make sure that they do fit properly. If you can't find one that fits properly, always go with the bigger size and file it down. Having a smaller nail can also cause a lot of like lifting as well, because it's not gonna fit properly. But overall for the nails, I do really like these. I like the cute designs on them. I felt like they were very nice and cute. They were personalized by Evie, aka longhairprettynails. And if you guys don't already know, like the BTARTBOX nails already have really great quality, and the fact that these already come like pre-top coat is just even better, because all I did was just buff my nails without being like technical. All you have to do is just buff your nails and apply them with some nail glue. I'm pretty sure you can apply them with some gel too, but I just felt like the glue would be the most convenient, the most easiest, and the most fastest. And I still have them on now. Like I went the whole entire weekend and I haven't had any lifting or trouble with them. They're still on as I record this, and it's Monday. I did these Friday, and they are holding up really great from the weekend. Yeah, they have really nice quality. They aren't bendy. They don't feel like cheap. They are made of gels, so they do last a lot longer. And so yeah, I'm pretty sure you can apply these with some gel. I just wanted to use the glue because, like I said, the most convenient. And also another thing I really like about these nails is that they come with multiple, like the ones with the 3D cherries on them. I did end up switching the middle finger on my right hand and the ring finger on my left hand. Instead of having them both on the same finger, I did switch it up just to make things a little bit different. I liked it that way. So yeah, these nails definitely are gonna get a 10 out of 10 for me. That's overall quality, style, design, application, the prepping. Like, it's just honestly a 10 out of 10. I will have these products linked down below in my description box along with my discount codes if you guys want to check them out. I do recommend these. They are a lot easier than the ones that don't come like top coated, and they're just so easy and convenient. The overall footage took me like 30 minutes to record, and that's only because I'm recording. I have to make sure everything is in frame and, like, you know, just make sure like the products are being shown. But if I was doing this without even recording, it wouldn't take me no more than 15 minutes, like, because it's that easy. But yeah, I have them linked down below with my discount code. And since these nails have already been top coated, I don't really have to do anything else. I mean, if I wanted to add some charms or rhinestones, I definitely could to give them more like personalization or like just to make them my own. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to leave them as is because I feel like they were like really cute. But I am going to take a hand file and just lightly file the free edge of them just to remove that little piece of plastic. And these are stiletto, but I do kind of round them out a little bit just to make them look like pointed oval or like pointed almond in a way. I really like that style, so that's basically what I did. And that's the last thing I'm going to do with these. Of course, once I finish filing, I'm going to remove all of that dust and apply some cuticle oil to renourish my cuticles. The cuticle oil I use in today's video is the Balm Nails. I love this cuticle oil. I haven't used it in a while, but it is so good. But once I finish applying that to renourish my cuticles, this is how the finished set turned out. And I love them so much. They look so adorable. My overall rating for these nails, I do give them a 10 out of 10. I love BTARTBOX, and just knowing that longhairprettynails had a collab with them just makes it even better because I love her so much in her channel. She's really inspiring. I love her nail designs. I'm always watching her videos, and I just feel like that's a huge accomplishment. So I was so grateful that I was able to try them, and they do have a lot more shapes and length with these designs of nails, so make sure that you are looking and get the one that you want. But yeah, overall, like I said, these nails are really pretty. They're really great quality. Overall, 10 out of 10. I will have them linked down below for you guys. They were very easy to use, and I don't want to sound like a broken record and just keep repeating myself on saying how great they are. Just know that I absolutely love them and I would definitely recommend them. So check the description box and discount codes. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. So let me know what you thought about today's set. Let me know if you are going to try them or if you already tried them, and let me know how you like them down below in the comments. And that basically concludes today's video, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.